Hi, I'm Larry Clarkberg, and I was invited here by the BBI Bike Initiative to give a little workshop. I am director of the Friends Bike Clinic in Ithaca. We're going to talk a little bit about basic adjustments.
I'm Scott McCasland, and I'm going to talk about truing a wheel.
So basically, your brake cable itself will stretch over time, and also your brake shoes, the rubber, will get thinner and thinner. The bike manufacturers have put in these brake adjustment screws, brake tightening screw, and it's got the main screw here, which is which over time, maybe every other month or so, unscrew that a little bit, and then this wider part is a lock nut, and just screw that down so everything's not loose. And then what that does is, when you unscrew this adjustment screw, the brake shoes get closer together, and it's subtle, so you might not see it as you're doing it, but after you make an adjustment there, it's good to spin the wheel and make sure your brakes aren't rubbing.
The way that you true a wheel is by tightening and loosening the spokes on alternate sides. So the spokes alternate which side they're strung to, and so if you find a spot that's out of true to, say, the right, then you would tighten the spokes on the left to pull it back. So first we sort of spin it, and you can see there's a sticky spot there. So right now I'm tightening the ones on the left to pull that bend out. So basically I was doing every other one. So like this one, and this one, and this one come from the left side of the hub.
So, and it's the sort of thing where you should just do it bit by bit, not try and fix it all at once, because you can get out of whack easily, and then it's hard to get back. So half a quarter turn each time. All right.
Thank you.
Good job. I didn't put you on the spot.
No, it's good to have a challenge now and then.